Madami akong pinagdaanan this competition. Siyempre, life itself. Nanalo pa. I am James Dimano, currently competing in white belt division, 73.5 kilograms.
Gi or no gi?
Nogi. Siguro dahil mas bata pa kami ngayon and may kulit pa.
What's your favorite competition move?
Guillotine. Guillotine. Ang problem nga lang is, dahil kung injuries ngayon, hindi ko magawang guillotine.
What first motivated you to start competing?
Actually, dati nag-compete ako ng ibang sports. Nag-compete ako boxing. Pero naisip ko na matry yung jiu-jitsu kasi, yun nga, sabi nila, safer ang jiu-jitsu than boxing. Unti-unti, nagustuhan ko siya. Especially, nakakasama ko yung teammates ko. Mas lalo akong na-motivate habang nakikita silang nanalo and nagko-compete kahit matalo. Mas na-boost ako na, wow, gusto ko rin ma-reach yung na-reach nila at manalo.
What do you think helped you the most during this competition?
My teammates. Madami akong pinagdaanan this competition. Injuries, then syempre life itself. But with my teammates, yung tulong nila sa akin, yung supporta nila sa akin, kahit anong mangyari, di nila ako iniwan. So, I'm really happy and thankful and grateful sa teammates ko dahil sa ginawa nila. Ayan, nanalo pa. Nanalo pa kahit sobrang daming injuries.
Yeah. What's your biggest advice to anyone that wants to start competing?
Inintay nila yung perfect timing para mag-compete, which is hindi mo mahahanap yung perfect timing. So, just try it. Try mo, training ka, do your best. Then, dun mo malalaman, manalo matalo, still a win dahil sinubukan mo at di ka nag-back out. Shoutout to my team sa Valiant MMA Fitness, kay Coach Jerry, Coach Mark, and my teammates, everyone, Coach Pau. So, di ko maisa-isa kasi sobrang dami, especially my family, and also, thank you God. Dahil ito, nandito ako sa situation ngayon, nanalo pa kahit maraming injuries. James Demano sa TikTok, yun. So, yan, follow nyo lang ako.
Thank you so much.